Welcome back, students. In the previous video we completed chapter number 3, Gopal and the Hilsa fish. So today we will move further with the poem A Shed. The poem is about shed, which is a small room away from the main house. It is located at the bottom of the poet's garden. The poem The Shed is composed by Frank Flynn. In this poem, poet tells about the shed at the bottom of his garden that is in worse condition. So let's begin with the explanation of the poem. At the bottom of the garden there is a shed. Hardly anybody goes inside the shed. Therefore, the hinges or the door joints have become rusty and make a lot of noise whenever the wind makes them move. When the poet is peacefully lying in the bed, he sometimes hears noises from the shed. The poet wishes to be able to open the door of the shed someday. The shed has a dusty old window on its side. 3 glass panes of the window are broken. Whenever the poet passes through the shed, he gets the feeling as if someone was staring at him. To find out, the poet wishes to peep inside the shed. The poet's brother talks about the presence of the ghost inside the shed and warns the poet that if he went inside the shed, the ghost would chop off his head. However, this does not much frighten the poet. He still wished to one day step inside the shed and see for himself. Now the poet is able to overcome his fears. He is able to understand that there is no ghost inside the shed. He understands that there is actually nobody inside the shed who stares at him or makes those strange noises. The spider too is no longer there. His brother had been telling him lies because he wanted to retain the shed for his own self. Therefore, very soon the poet would be able to set in foot inside the shed. However, he says that this can't happen immediately. So let's begin with the question answers. In question answers, 2 extra questions are there, short answers. So you have to do that. And we have completed a poem. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.